Welcome to this morning's Bangladesh news. Let's hear the headlines first. Law Minister Anisul Haq's mother passes away. Health Minister says 80% coronavirus patients recover fully. BNP wants National Task Force to tackle the situation. Special flights to fly in Bangladesh is stuck in India. Rubana says reopening of RMG factories depends on COVID-19 situation. And 4 more UP chairmen, 5 members suspended for embezzling coronavirus aid. These were the headlines. Let's jump into the details news now. Jahanara Haq, freedom fighter and mother of Law Minister Anisul Haq, has died on old age complications at a hospital in Dhaka. The 85-year-old passed away at Evercare Hospital's Dhaka Apollo Hospital around 3:40 am on Saturday, reports BSS. Jahanara had been suffering from different old age complications, including cardiac issues, and was undergoing treatment at the hospital since October 27, 2019. She will be buried at Banani Graveyard following a Namazi Janaza after Johor prayers at Pani Unnayan Board Jame Masjid in Banani on Saturday. President MD Abdul Hamid and Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina, both in separate statements, mourned her death, prayed her for her soul's eternal salvation, and extended condolences to the bereaved family. Finance Minister A.H.M. Mustafa Kamal, Stated Minister for Information MD Murad Hassan, and Bangladesh Judicial Service Association, among others, also expressed shock and mourned the death of the Law Minister's mother. Anisul Haq, who is also the Brahmanbaria 4 MP, had lost his wife Nur Amanullah Rina Haq in January 1991 and his father, former MP Sirajul Haq, in October 2002. More medical facilities to be dedicated for coronavirus patients, urging people not to panic as the coronavirus pandemic unfolded in Bangladesh. Health Minister Jahid Malik claimed that 80% of those infected recover fully if they stay home and follow certain rules. He made the remarks on Friday during the daily online bulletin report UNB. According 80% of coronavirus infected people get cured abiding by some normal rules, staying at home. That's why those who have been diagnosed with the virus should follow health guidelines instead of being panicked, he said during the daily briefing by the Institute of Epidemiology, Disease Control and Research IEDCR. Malik urged the people to get tested if have symptoms before adding, being cautious is the key to combat the disease. Around 1 lakh personal protective equipment are being manufactured every day for healthcare workers, he said. A total of 20 labs are now conducting tests, said the minister. The government is arranging more hospitals for treating COVID-19 patients, he added. They are Sheikh Hasina National Institute of Burn and Plastic Surgery, Mugda General Hospital, Shahid Sohrawardi Medical College Hospital, Shahid Tajuddin Ahmed Medical College Hospital, Railway General Hospital, and some private hospitals. Bangladesh National Party have made a demand for the formation of a national task force to effectively tackle the coronavirus pandemic and its fallout. BNP Secretary General Mirza Fakhrul Islam Alamgir made the demand at a press conference held at BNP Chairperson's Gulshan office on Friday. There is darkness and a despair all around. It seems the negative impact of coronavirus pandemic will be long-lasting, said Fakhrul. Under such a situation, we propose making a national task force to advise the government for working out well-thought-out action plans and effective steps for the distribution of relief, incentives, and loan packages in various sectors, he added. He said, it is now a timely demand to take effective steps for tackling the coronavirus situation by forming a task force with representatives from various political parties, civil society, journalists, physicians, economists, sociologists, armed forces, and other forces based on national consensus. About the justification of the formation of the task force, Fakrul said it will help the nation to make coordinated decisions to overcome the disaster. Quoting Nobel saying that the BNP leader said corruption, irregularities in food distribution, irresponsibility, and lack of good governance can lead a famine, not food shortage. Now it has become crucial to institutionalize the process of food and relief distribution and post coronavirus rehabilitation for ensuring transparency, he remarked. West Bangla Airlines says it will operate special flights to bring back Bangladeshis stranded in Indian cities of Chennai and Kolkata due to travel restriction and the coronavirus pandemic. 6 flights on the Chennai-Dhaka route will be operated between April 20 to 25, US Bangla spokesperson Kamrul Islam said UNB. Another 2 flights scheduled for April 21 and 23rd will fly in Bangladeshis from Kolkata according to Islam. Some 2,500 Bangladeshi nationals, including over 1,000 students, are stranded in different Indian cities due to current lockdown there, according to the Foreign Ministry. Earlier on March 30, it was reported that there are broadly 3 categories of Bangladeshi nationals currently in India who are willing to stay back until a situation improves, but facing crash crisis, students and those who are released from hospitals after necessary treatment. Bangladesh Garments Manufacturers and Exporters Association BGMEA President Rubana Haq says the reopening of their factories on April 26 fully depends on the improvement of coronavirus situation in the country. We will finalize the decision to reopen the factories considering how the corona situation goes on, she said on Friday, reports UNB. Rubana said they are observing the situation. We will not reopen the factories, killing people or putting out workers in trouble, she said. She said they will consult relevant stakeholders and the authorities concerned before reopening the RNG factories. BGMEA earlier had decided to reopen its factories from April 26 as the ongoing coronavirus shutdown and public holidays are set to end on April 25th, unless the government extends it further. The apex body of the apparel sector had also tried to reopen the factories on April 5, and several thousand workers gone to Dhaka from adjoining districts, taking too much to travel amid the shutdown and the serious risk of coronavirus infection. As the government extended the shutdown till April 25th, the BGMEA authorities also backed off from its decision to reopen the factories. 4 more Union Council chairmen and 5 members have been suspended for allegedly embezzling government relief provided for the poor and coronavirus shutdown. The local government ministry issued separate orders suspending the 9 public representatives on Wednesday. A total of 5 UP chairmen and 7 members have been suspended so far in Bangladesh over similar allegations. 4 new suspended chairmen are MD Kurban Ali, chairman of Dhalotchor Union in Pabna's Bera Upazila, MD Abdus Salam, chairman of Pangashi Union in Shirazganj Rajganj Upazila, Mohammad Alauddin Paltu, chairman of Kakchira Union in Borgunaz Upazila, Kaji Shohidul Islam, chairman of number 1 Adhumunik Union in Borishal's Mehediganj. The members who were suspended are Abdul Mannan Mullah, MD Shikandar Mia, Sohel Mia, Muhammad Umar, MD Jewel Mia, and from different districts. The ministry said charges of embezzling relief materials were proven through investigations, and they are behind bars after being detained on charges of misappropriating government aid provided for the low-income people hit by the coronavirus shutdown.